Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll focus on the easy installation of Dahua's 5 E's, highlighting how our quick installation products help reduce cost and save time and labor. Let's talk about how Dahua has made the installation process easier. Dahua's easy installation cameras require fewer screws, making the setup process more efficient, contributing to fewer steps and less materials, such as our HD CVI Cooper U T1 eyeball camera, which secures the quick mount plate with only 2 screws instead of the traditional 3. The Cooper U B1 bullet has removed screws entirely when it comes to adjusting the bullet's angle. Quick attachment mechanisms allow for easy mounting. This saves time during installation as the camera can be securely mounted quickly. The ITC 8019 cardan bracket has a new design that only requires one person to install it and reduces installation time by 60%, making installations in dangerous areas safer and more efficient. Other cameras like the PTZ SD-A1, HD CVI PT and eyeball camera feature a quick mount plate for simplified installation. For example, the IPC TM eyeball camera enables one-step mounting to the base panel thanks to its design. Additionally, a tightening screw can be used to securely fasten the camera body and housing of the IPC TM eyeball and also secure the quick mount plate to prevent any unauthorized removal. Dahua's easy installation cameras not only simplify the setup process, but also offer exceptional adjustability for optimal positioning. For example, the HD CVI Cooper U B1 bullet features a universal joint for hassle-free positioning, allowing you to adjust the camera's angle without any tools. The IPC dual lens eyeball cameras provide easy adjustability in 3 axes and feature a single screw for added stability. The HD CVI PT camera makes the process even easier by allowing you to adjust the camera remotely through the DMSS app. Several of our products now include multiple mounting options in their packaging, such as the PTZ SD3E camera and the HD CVI PT camera. These options provide quick installation with included in-ceiling and wall mounts, giving you the flexibility to choose the mounting style that suits your needs. For more information about our products, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.